Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox favorite themes. First, understand that customizing your Roblox theme involves personalizing various visual elements within the game's interface, like colors and fonts. This unique approach allows you to tailor the game's look and feel to your individual preferences, creating a truly unique environment. We will walk through the exact steps to achieve this, making your Roblox experience distinctly your own. It truly makes a significant difference. To begin customizing your theme, first log into your Roblox account on your computer or mobile device. Look for the small gear icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and click it to access your settings menu. From there, select the Account Information tab, which is where you will find the options for visual adjustments. This step is crucial for unlocking all the customization features available to you. Once in the theme customization area, you will encounter several options for visual elements. You can select from a curated list of color palettes or fine-tune individual colors for various interface components, such as background, text, and buttons. Additionally, explore different font styles to find one that best suits your personal aesthetic. Take your time to experiment with these choices to perfectly match your vision. After meticulously selecting all your preferred visual elements, it is time to apply your new theme. Locate the Save button, which is typically situated at the bottom of the customization page. Click this button to confirm your changes, and your new theme will immediately become active, transforming your Roblox experience. This simple action finalizes your personalized look, ensuring it persists across your sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.